Insulin can feel insanely confusing at first, like you're suddenly expected to speak diabetes fluently. Hey everyone, I'm Jeff, the glucose guy. I'm a T1D dad who's learned way more about insulin than I ever thought I would. I'm not a doctor, I'm just a parent translating diabetes into normal people language, so please, check with your medical team before making any changes. All right, let's talk insulin. What does insulin do? Quick refresher. Insulin's job is to move glucose out of your bloodstream and into your cells so your body can actually use it for energy. Without enough insulin, that glucose builds up, and that's where high blood sugars come from. We use different types of insulin throughout the day to manage that, and that brings us to the big three: basal, bolus, and correction. Basal, your background insulin. Simply put, basal insulin keeps your blood sugar steady between meals and overnight. Think of it as your body's pilot light, a small steady flame that keeps things running even when you're not eating. Basal insulin covers things like sleeping, fasting, or the natural glucose your liver releases throughout the day. If you're on injections, this might be a long-acting insulin like Lantus, Levemir, Tresiba, Smegly, or something similar. If you're on a pump, your pump drip feeds tiny amounts of rapid-acting insulin 24/7, and that acts as your basal. Bolus, the food insulin. Bolus insulin helps your body handle glucose from meals. Carbs turn into glucose, and bolus insulin helps your body process that incoming food sugar. This is usually rapid-acting insulin like Humalog, Novolog, or Fiasp. You'll use bolus insulin for meals, snacks, drinks with carbs, and treats. Most people count their carbs and dose insulin based on a ratio, like 1 unit for every 10 grams of carbs. Your ratio will always be personalized by your diabetes care team. Correction, the fix-it insulin. Sometimes blood sugars go up, even when you don't eat. Hormones, stress, exercise, growth spurts. Diabetes has range. Correction insulin is the fix-it dose you take when your blood sugar is higher than your target range. It's the same rapid-acting insulin as your bolus, just used for a different job. Your diabetes care team will set your personal correction scale. Basically a guide that tells you how much insulin to take when your blood sugar is out of target range. Just like your bolus ratio, everyone's correction scale is different and tailored to their body's needs. So there you have it, basal, bolus, and correction insulin. If your brain feels a little less scrambled after this, mission accomplished. Hit like, smash subscribe, and drop a comment down below about what diabetes topic you want me to tackle next. We're all in this together.